Okay. So in today's session, we are going to discuss about script actions, guys. Script actions. Okay. Script actions is a server-side script, guys. Is a server-side script. Okay. Script action is a server-side script which runs asynchronously. Okay. Guys, this script action can be triggered only using events. Script action is a server-side script, guys, which runs asynchronously, which can be triggered only using events. So using gs.event gs.event event name, object name, event param1, event param2. Guys, this line is used to send the email notifications. Okay, this line is used to trigger email notifications. This line is used to trigger email notifications, and also it is used to trigger trigger it is used to trigger email notification. It is used to trigger script actions as well. Okay. This line is used to trigger email notifications. This line is used to trigger script actions. Okay. Well, as I mentioned already, script action is a server-side script which runs asynchronously, which runs asynchronously, which can be triggered only using events. So using this line, you can trigger the script actions and you can trigger the email notifications. Guys, remember, using this gs.event event name, object name, event param1, event param2, we can trigger the email notifications, we can trigger the script actions. Okay, clear, right? Clear or not? Okay. Guys, in our previous session, we have discussed about script includes as well. Script includes. Script includes is a server-side script which runs synchronously, which runs synchronously, which is used which can be called in both client side and server side. Script include is a server side script which run synchronously, which can be called in both client side and server side. Okay. So script include if you want to call it in the client side, you will use glad ajax. And if you want to call the script include in the server side, you will use new script include name. dot method name. This is how you will call the script include in the server side. Guys, here it is synchronous. Script includes runs synchronously. Okay. Script include script includes runs synchronously, whereas script actions run asynchronously. Both are, this is also a server side script which runs synchronously. This is also a server side script, but this runs asynchronously, but this can be fired only using events. But this can be called using this line of script. You have to use this line of script to call the script include in the server side. So what I mean to say here is script include is a server side script which runs asynchronously. But when it comes to the script actions is a server side script which runs asynchronously, can be triggered only using events. Okay. So using this gs.event queue, event name, object name, event param1, event param2, you can trigger the email notifications, you can trigger the script actions. So if you want to run the script include from the client side, you will use glide ajax. If you want to run the script include from the server side, you will use new script include name dot method name. Okay, fine. Now we will understand the script actions concept in detail in today's session. Well, we'll go to the finance case table. So guys, we have created a business rule. Do you remember we have created a business rule? Whenever the finance case is created, it will create a problem record. Whenever the finance case is created, it will create a problem record. So we have created a business rule, guys. What exactly this business rule does? Whenever the finance case is created and once it is successfully created into the database, this after business rule will run. So here, what are we doing? We are calling the script include or not. This is a script include, guys. We are calling the script include. Okay, inside the script include. Okay, inside the script include, you are calling the method create PRP. Okay. So here script include is actually the script include is actually a server side script which runs synchronously, which runs synchronously. Okay. So then what I'm doing is instead of this I'm going to keep the same line of script here. Okay. So I'm not using script include, guys. Whatever the script that I have written in the script include that I am kept keeping it here in the business field again. Okay. I'm not using script include concept here. Okay. I am not using script include concept here. What I wanted to do is I wanted to use script action concept. So I'm not going to use script include concept. I'm going to use script action concept. Okay. So for that, what I'm doing is For that, what I am doing is I am going to create a script action here first. Under system policy, you have actually script actions. Create problem. All line of script I'm keeping it here. I have created a script action, guys. In place of script include, I have created a script action. Okay. So, and secondly, I'm actually creating an event in the event registry. I'm creating an event in the event registry. Okay. Finance case. Take this particular event name. Okay. Map this event in the event, map this event in the script action. Map this event in the script action. I have mapped the event in the script action. So what I have to do, I have to fire this event from the business rule using gs dot event queue. Event name, object name, event param 1 comma event param 2. Okay. So what I'm doing here, whenever the finance case is created into the database, immediately I am firing an event. Once the event is fired, this script action will run. This script action will run. It will create a problem record and it will actually update that problem number in the problem field. Okay. So here, whenever the business rule is triggered, it will fire the event. Once the event is fired, so this event will actually fire the script action, guys. This event will fire the script action. Once the script action is fired, it will actually create the problem record in the problem table. So we will just see that, guys. I'm creating a finance case record, guys. So attachment is mandatory. So we'll attach the attachment here. So once I save this one, finance case record will be created. Once the case record is created, this business tool will run. This business tool will fire the event, and we will see event is fired or not in the event log. So event is fired, guys. Event is fired. Okay. And we will see problem record is created or not. We will see. So problem record is not created. So that is because we have actually written this line of script here. So will comment this line. We will save this one. I'm going to create a new finance case record again. Okay. Now we will first see event is fired or not. Event is fired. Okay, event is fired. Once the event is fired, we will see problem record is created or not. So why is it not creating? Mhm. First of all, we have to check it in the background. If it is not triggering mail, event is fired, but still the script has not run. As the script has not run, that means we have to run the script in the background and we will see why is it not running and all. So it is creating the problem. The script is working fine. It is creating the problem. So now the record is created and log is generated or not, we will say. Finance case that create that problem. So event is fired and problem record created or not, we will see. It looks like it is taking some time. Looks like it is taking some time, guys. But it will create the record. So what is happening here? Whenever the finance case record is created, this business rule is running. After business rule is running. And here it is actually firing the event. Okay. So it is actually firing the event. Once the event is fired, this line of script is executed and it is creating a problem record here. So guys, I have a question for you here. Why do we need a script action here? Why do we need a script action here? Hmm? We can write the script here also, right? We can write the script here also. Why do we need a script action and we have to fire that script action? Why do we need this script action? And why do we have to call the script action from here? So you want to run the script asynchronous. Okay, then you can make it asynchronous here, right? You can make it asynchronous here, right? Hmm? You can write asynchronous business rule here, right? If you make it asynchronous business rule, the script will run asynchronously. There will not be any issue. Okay, I made it asynchronous here. This script will run asynchronously. There won't be any problem, right? Then why are we using this gs.event queue, event name, and object name, event param1, event param2 to fire the script action and to run the script action through the to run the script through the script action? Hmm? Always remember, guys. Always remember here to run the script asynchronously, we can use asynchronous business rule. But the problem with the asynchronous business rule is that there is no previous values are available. There is no previous values are available in the asynchronous business rule. That is why we don't write asynchronous here. We will use after business rule. But there is a problem with the after business rule here. What is the problem with the after business rule? After business rule runs synchronously. Okay, after business rule will cause the performance issue. Okay, after business rule cause the performance issue. Asynchronous business rule doesn't have previous object access. So, guys, remember, guys, here this is very important. After business rule runs synchronously. After business rule runs synchronously. Runs asynchronously. But previous object is not available. Previous object is not available. Here, both current object, previous objects are available. Okay. After business rule runs synchronously, here both current and previous objects are available. And asynchronous business rule runs asynchronously, but previous object is not available. Okay. Guys, here I want to run the script asynchronously, but I want to run the script asynchronously, but I want current value, current object and previous object access both. Is this possible, guys? I want to run the script asynchronously, but I want current object and previous object both available. I want both. Yes, script actions we should use only in the after business rules. Okay. So script actions we should only use it in the after business rules. So in that case, what I will do, I want both current values and previous values, and I want to run the script asynchronously means here in the after business rule, I will use script actions concept. Here I will use script actions concept. Here, what the script actions does, the script actions run the script asynchronously, and here you have current object and previous object both are available. I will show you one example so that you will be able to understand better, guys. Okay. So I am going to the problem table. So here, guys, there are actually multiple incidents here. I am attracting multiple incidents here. Okay. Guys, remember here, when I change the state here, whenever the problem state is changed, both current state and previous state, both should be updated in the incident work notes. Here, remember, whenever I change the state here in the problem table, whenever I change the state here, both current state and previous state, both. So current state and previous state, both should be updated here in every incident work notes. Here you have 100 incidents, guys. So if you have too much script, if you have too much script, if you use after business rule, it will cause performance issue. If you use asynchronous business rule, previous object is not available. So in that case, what I have done, I have actually created a after business rule here. Right click, configure, go to business rules. You can see when state changes. Okay, when state changes, here I am actually firing the script action here, guys. I am actually firing the script action in the after business rule. Why am I using after business rule here? In the after business rule, I have current object, previous object both. But I am running the script asynchronously. Here I am actually passing the previous values and current values here. Current, see, you can see previous state value, current state value. So let me just go to the scripting script action here. Okay, this is the script action that I created. So guys, remember, whenever the state changes in the problem record, whenever the state changes in the problem record, okay, whenever the state changes in the problem record, well, here, this after business rule will run. So here we have to update 100 records, right? If you have to use, if you have to update 100 records, if you use after business rule, it will cause performance issue. Then what I'm doing, I am actually triggering the script action here. So script actions runs asynchronously, right? So here in the script action, I am passing the previous state value and current state value. Previous state value, current state value, that is available only in the after business rule, guys. Okay. So I'm actually querying the incident table with the current problem. I'm actually updating the comments as state changed from event, guys. Event param 1 means this one. Event param 1 means previous state. Event param 2 means current state. So guys, event param 1, event means event object is available in the script action. So you have current object available in the script action. You have event object available in the script action. Event.param1 means here previous start description. Okay. So event.param2 means current start description. Okay. Event.param1 means previous start description. Event.param2 means current start description. So here what we are doing, whenever you change the state value in the problem record, this after business rule is running. Why are we using after business rule? We need current value and previous value both. Current value and previous value both are available only in the after business rule, but it runs synchronously, right? So as it runs synchronously, we have to run the script asynchronously. To run the script asynchronously, we are using script action concept here. So we are firing the script action here. In the script action, we are actually passing event param one, event param two. So we are actually accessing that event param one using event.param one, PARM one, guys, not RAM, PARM one, event param two. So then we are actually querying the incident with the current problem, and we are actually updating the incident comment state changed from previous state to current state. Okay, so that is how you will actually use the script action concept, guys. As I mentioned already, script actions are fired using gs.eventQ, event name, object name, event param 1, event param 2. Okay, so this line is used to trigger the email notifications. This line is used to trigger the script actions as well. Script action is a server-side script that runs asynchronously, can be triggered only using events. So now I have used this script action in the after business rule, because here in the after business rule, you have current object, previous object available, and you are running the script asynchronously. Hope you guys are clear, guys. I'm unmuting everyone, guys. Now you tell me you have any questions.
Hi, Uday.
Hi.
Yeah, like how we have taken this object name as current here. So on what basis?
So here current means whichever the problem record that you are updating, right? You understand,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
That problem record values, you are passing to the script action. So here you are using current object, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, here you are updating, you are changing the value of this particular record. You are changing the state of this particular record, right? Current object refers to the record values. Okay. So you are actually firing the script action using this gs.eventQ event name, current object you are passing, and previous values. And here you are actually passing current value here. Now what you are doing here, you are using current object here to access the current record, current problem record values. To access the current problem record values, you are using that.
Okay.
You got it or not?
Yeah, Uday, yes.
So guys, in tomorrow's session, we are going to discuss about import sets topic, guys.
Hi, Uday.
Yeah. Hi.
Uday, I was practicing on the business rules one. So I'm not able to create this problem record through the finance case.
Mhm.
I don't know what is actually going wrong. If I can share my screen.
Yeah. You can share your screen.
Yeah. So this is the business rule that we wrote, right? It's a simple thing.
Hmm.
But so when I activate this particular business rule,
Hmm.
and when
What
I
is the
try
condition
to,
that you kept?
sorry,
What is the condition that you kept?
so after insert.
Okay. Hmm.
Okay. So I get this particular error message. Data policy exception, the following fields are mandatory, which is assigned to, which is nowhere mandatory basically.
No, yes, it is mandatory from data policies. I think
No,
you.
there is nothing actually. I mean, if I deactivate this particular one, right, this particular business rule, there is no problem. Only when I activate
No,
this
no, no.
business
I
rule.
understand the issue here. The problem here is that there is a data policy in the back end. That data policy is restricting you to create the record, not on this finance case, not
Problem.
on the problem table. Yes.
And the problem also I'll try, it's not mandatory. Let me just check.
No, that's not a mandatory field. It will be mandatory from the data policy. You have to go to data policy.
Okay. And the problem basically I mean to say.
Yeah.
Okay, I will verify that and come back to you tomorrow. Okay, yeah. Thank you.
Any questions from anyone, guys?
Uday.
Yeah.
So I was texting yesterday, right? So can we try to cover Saturday, Sunday going forward? I mean, I think we are going very late.
If everybody is good, I am good to take sessions, guys. I don't have any problem. Okay.
Yeah. So I mean, I am fine. Because if we keep delaying, right, I think we will lose the interest also.
I know that. I can understand that, Raj.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, mostly I promised I'll be covering in 2 months, right? 60 hours, right?
Yeah, true.
It, I think, see, in fact, Raj, I'll be taking more sessions than I promised. Um,
Yeah,
uh,
which is actually good for us, but I think we should be covering at least Saturday or one of the weekend because just 1 hour class, right?
Yeah, 1 or 2 weekends, that would be a really good thing. Yeah, 1 or 2 weekends, we'll plan it. Okay, so that we'll be able to cover as soon as possible. See, 1 or 2 weeks is nothing but 1 week time.
Correct. Yeah.
See, here Saturday, Sunday, if you take a 6 hour session, 3 hours, 3 hours, that is nothing but 1 week time. Hmm?
Yes, Uday, yeah.
Guys, please plan yourself for Saturday, Sundays, guys. Okay, everyone. We'll have a session on Saturday, Sundays as well. We'll be able to finish the sessions, okay, as quickly as possible. Okay.
Yeah. I mean, you can take others' opinion also. I am fine with it.
Yeah. See, what I agree with you. People might lose interest. So we'll be completing this training as soon as possible. Only 1 weekend we'll take extra session. That's all. No need to take up.
1 weekend, 2 hours, 3 hours is fine there.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
will cover 1 week.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll plan it. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, Uday. Thank you.